Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, April 5th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full down analysis. So on the US dollar Canadian, I still think this looks like an A, 3 waves up for a B, and I still think this is going to end up going down for a wave C. Maybe it's a 1, 2, 3, but I think it's more likely to be A, B, and C. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. I think this is very, very likely to be a wave 1. I think this is very likely to be a wave 2. Whether or not the wave 2 is over is still kind of questionable. It kind of looks like it may not be over. Maybe it is going to go up to one of these fib levels. Eventually, I still think it is going to go down for a big wave 3, probably a wave 3 of wave C. So taking it right down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, it still looks like a correction to me. It looks very, very corrective. Some of the dollar pairs look like the correction is already over, so I mean there is a chance that this may not even get back up to the higher Fibonacci levels, and that the wave 2 is actually already complete, and it's going to go down for a big wave 3 of wave C. So let's take it right down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, this whole move right here does look kind of corrective, so I am kind of wondering, we do have non-farm payroll news coming out today. I'm kind of thinking that maybe today's news will cause this to go back up. Maybe it will push up towards that Fibonacci level, or maybe it'll actually end up making a lower high, and going back down next week. Either way, I definitely think we still need to be looking for longs, because on the higher time frames, there's no proof that this wave 2 is actually over yet. Going down to the 1 hour time frame is where we got our Fibonacci retracement on here. Now, we only have a few hours until the news comes out, so it kind of seems, almost kind of seems like it could actually make another push down at the news. Like maybe this is going to be an ABC correction, and then maybe sometime next week, or maybe even later on today, is when it will actually make the bigger push up. Maybe it'll just continue the uptrend, or maybe this is actually not an ABC and it's actually a 1, 2, 3, and instead of continuing the uptrend, it just keeps on going down. Either way, whether it's a 1, 2, 3 or an ABC, if you go short at the end of this wave 2 or B, then it turns into a wave 3. That's like a bonus trade. If you go short and it's a wave C, then you get out of your short and go long for the continuation of the uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, linked down here in the corner, and don't forget to check out my membership program at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.